Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today, excuse me, today we have here is this 52-inch Hampton Bay gazebo ceiling fan. Before we get to this video, I got a story time. My grandma moved into a house, I'm not going to mention the road name or state. And in the back porch, you know how closed-in porches, they have all kinds of piece of junk fans, whether it's an indoor or outdoor junk fans. Well, anyway, first time I went to that house, there's a 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan in their back porch. And as much as you guys hate those fans, soon as my grandma's boyfriend drywalls the ceiling, I'm gonna take that Littleton, replace it with my gazebo. The Littleton blades they sagged, but it's not like completely sagged, just a little bit, because the back porch, sorry, the music is distracting me. Anyway, we'll start with the light. I have two LED bulbs in there, and this is a indoor light kit that I am going to include. So there's that. Start with low, and I'm sorry if my video camera makes the blades like bent. They are not bent. They're just bent down because all the wind that has been pushing it down. So, like I said, sorry if it makes it bent sideways. The brackets are not bent. It's just the effect of the camera. And if I go to my grandma's house, I will make a video of that Littleton. I will make a video of the Littleton. Here's a medium. And it's a fast fan for a gazebo. Well, duh, because it's an outdoor fan, but I'm just saying, fast fan. Here's the light again. And here's high. Here's the light again. And we will do spin down. And it has no set screw in it, by the way, so that's why it's free to roam around and that stuff. And I did not have this fan for a long time. I bought this fan at the Hampton Bay store used. And I know some of you guys like fans that are like brand new and not used, and hey, that's okay. I'm not gonna judge you for that. I either like my fans used when I buy or brand new in box when I buy. I really don't care, but that's just your opinion. I'm not gonna judge it.
Getting everything you want. You caught in the car and your career's really taking off. It's like we never even happened, baby. Tell me what is up with that? And good for you, it's like you never even let me. Remember when you swore to God I was the only person who ever got you? Well, screw that, screw you. You will never have to hurt the way you know that I do.
When I bought this fan at the Habitat Resort, it didn't come with a light kit. I just put this harborbreeze 4-fitter on it. Looks good. I would say it looks good with the 4-fitter light kit in my opinion. And it's still... Alright, this is the video of my 52-inch Hampton Bay gazebo ceiling fan, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe to Mr. Horsepower, the fan collector dude, I think that's his channel. Subscribe to him. The Eric Freeze, subscribe to him. The Junk Collector, subscribe to my friends, everybody. I will have their YouTube channel names in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.